Hey y'all, this is Sophie from Sophistafunk Beauty, and this is my Like It's Golden look. Hey guys, so I know it's been a while, but today I decided to get my ass out of bed and beat my face. So I am doing that with the help of this Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. It's gorgeous. And I'm going to be using the colors, let's see, Access, we're gonna be using Access, Gilt Trip, and maybe a little bit of Agent too, we'll see. What I am going to do is start by going in on my crease with Access. So Access, I shall show you, is this gorgeous, it reminds me of like turmeric, the spice. So I'm going in on my crease. And I'm just gonna keep going until it's as pigmented as I would like it. Okay, I think that's good. Now I'm gonna go on the other eye. I'm using this Luxie 239 Precision Shader brush. I believe I got it in an Ipsy bag. And I'll show you another brush in a couple minutes that I also got in an Ipsy bag. And they actually are super nice, the ones that I've gotten. I think I've gotten 3 different ones. And they all work really well, and they're all really soft. Okay, this is looking like it's as pigmented as I would like it. So now I'm gonna go in with Agent, and I'm going to just make it a little bit more orange right in that actual crease area. So I'm gonna start on the outer edge. I'm gonna just go in right on the actual crease. See like where I'm digging behind my eyeball? That's the crease that I want to get into. All right, now I'm going in with Agent. I'm using the same brush because I don't give a flying fuck. And I'm putting it right there. See? To give it just a little bit more dimension. Okay, so that's looking good. So before I do anything else, I'm gonna go into my lower. I'm gonna do a cut crease after, but stay tuned. All right, so for the lower, I'm actually gonna use some of this Secure right here. It's like this rusty orange. It's a little deeper than the Agent. And I'm just gonna go under and go back and forth. Okay. Ooh, I like it a lot. I've been wanting, I actually went out searching for a palette with these colors. I love warm tones. My skin is warm. And that like yellow color that the Access is something I've seen in a lot of tutorials, and I was like, I need to try it. So I went for it, and I found it on the ULTA Beauty website, actually. I had a gift card from Christmas, which was very nice. All right, so in that bottom, I'm gonna go in a little bit also with Smooth Criminal. So I guess I lied to you guys. I told you there were just like 3, now there's like 5 already. All right, so I'm gonna use the Smooth Criminal. And I'm just gonna use that a little bit closer. I'm not gonna blend it out as much, just to get that dimension in there. I'm liking this. All right, and something else I'm gonna do. Ooh, new idea here. Always in this little brain of mine. I'm gonna use this Smooth Criminal and just go in this crease just on the outside a little bit, and then I'll blend that in. Yeah, look at this. Sophie, great idea. Oh yeah. I'm looking like a sunset, baby. Okay. So that is looking beautiful. Look at this. I'm happy. Okay. So next, I'm going to take this brush. It's just a blender. And I'm going to go in. This is Tarte. And I'm just going to blend it a little bit better than I had with my shader. And are you seeing the ombre effect we're getting here? All right. We're doing good. We're moving. We're moving. Okay. So now I'm going to be a little daring. Oh, my brows are getting messed up. I'll fix that after. So now I am going to use concealer and I'm going to do a cut crease. So I'm going to give myself like a B for effort. I don't know why I feel rushed, but I don't feel like concentrating. I'm going to go in with this Luxie 110 Good Night brush. So this is pretty cool. It has like diamonds on it. And I'm going to use that Gilt Trip. And we're gonna fix this up a little. So now just to clean this up, I'm gonna go in a little bit more back in my creases with Access. And I'm just gonna like fake a perfect crease. Cause guess what? Mama ain't perfect. All right. I think this is looking pretty good. Okay. Okay. And I'm gonna blend it out, baby. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Dagger. And I'm gonna put my my eyeliner on. Okay, I'm gonna put my lashes on. I'll be right back. So one last finishing touch is I'm gonna use my Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, and I'm just gonna go in and blend the lashes. And I'm gonna put a little bit on my lower lashes. Weaving. This is the final look. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Oh, please. And hit that bell so you can be notified whenever I have a new video. Thanks, y'all.